Okay. Salamat. Okay. Sige, salamat. Yeah, baby. Hear that roar. It's just right. Not too loud. Not too angry. And now everyone can see and hear me. Yeah, baby. Hear me roar. This is how the road should sound like. Anyways, I've been gone for a while. Sorry about that, because I've had a lot of issues with my computer, and as you guys could probably hear, I got a brand new exhaust installed. It's called the Jekill and Hyde Exhaust. It's basically an electronically controlled exhaust, and it plugs right into the ECU, so you don't need to remap it. And on the push of a button, you can go full open like this, or you can go back to stock, but I don't want to go back to stock right now because I'm gonna be sitting in traffic and it's gonna suck. Oh baby. So I got Jekyll and Hyde's. Funny enough, it was the very last song that my father sang before he passed away, so this brand has a significant meaning to me. Oh man, sounds so good. Yeah, it's not too loud, it's just right. Even it's full open mode. You can even choose the setting where it's halfway opened, you know, so it's not too loud. Like double tap the button and it's you know, halfway between stock and open. And also, so if I want to ride and it's early morning, I don't have to go full open exhaust and wake up the neighbors, so I can go back to stock quiet as hell and not wake anybody up. This is how the engine of a V-twin should be breathing. Now I can rev bomb in tunnels. What? It's worth the wait for me to receive these. I ordered them like a long time ago, man. Yeah, I don't think I need to do one of those before and after exhaust sounds, because you guys have probably heard the stock exhaust sound of the Scout in any other video out there, including or any other YouTube videos out there, including mine, because you know I ride with this thing a lot. So, but yeah, you know, I can just bring it back to stock at the push of a button, like I mentioned, and that's how it sounds. It sounds exactly the same. My hand is getting tired from all this clutching. All this traffic. Okay. And it's so hot, that's why I'm not wearing a jacket, because we're only going slow speed and it's hot as hell right now in the Philippines. Come on, I've been like clutching all day. Let's get some motion. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the MT-07 I rode, which has the Yoshimura exhaust. I had fun with that bike with that exhaust. That was nice. So it sounds similar to that, because the MT-07 engine is a twin as well. Yeah, baby. Get your ass moving, you freaking. Bye. sounds so nice. I can't really talk with all this traffic, you know. I'm just enjoying the sound of the exhaust as well. Let's go, move it. Let's move it, move it. Anyways, I'm just gonna ride back home, you know, and maybe take some B-roll footage of the bike with the sounds and everything, and get all quiet and everything right now, because it's been a while since I've vlogged. You know, I've been going through some computer technical errors. I couldn't upload or edit anything. I don't know how many times I reformatted my computer this year or the last couple of months, only to realize that it was my hard disk that was dying. So yeah, there goes a lot of my footage. Okay. Anyways, stick around, guys, and whatever content I have up available, you know, click like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Jeez, I think it does pick up speed faster.